Have you seen what Uber is trying to do with the black and black SUV drivers? They're trying to use them as delivery drivers now. Yeah. When you getting ready to go pick up your rider, guess what? They gonna let the rider order from Jack in the Box or somewhere else, and you gotta go pick that food up before you come get them. Man, this is crazy right now. Ain't no way I'm gonna be dressed up in a suit, sitting at McDonald's, getting Happy Meals because somebody's like, I don't want to use Uber Eats for the kids, so what we gonna do is we gonna just have this driver go to McDonald's and pick up some burgers for us on his way. This is not even turning into executive driving no more. This is turning into straight Uber Eats in black SUV.
Uber is rolling out a new feature designed to make your morning commute a little easier. It's called Eats for the Way and allows riders to order coffee, tea, or a snack while booking an Uber Black or Uber Black SUV. The driver picks up the order before arriving, so your food or drink is ready when you get in the car. The feature is set to launch in Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, and Atlanta in the coming weeks. Okay, this sounds so nice, Kai, but it's really luxurious. It's only for the, high-end Uber services, Uber Black or whatnot. So
gotcha. Well,
I won't be using it, but it sounds really nice.
It sounds great. Customer service at its finest.
Right?
Now, many of us that have private clients already got drinks in the car for our clients. We've got margaritas, we've got water, we've got chocolate, whatever they text us about already, because we do that because we're already being paid a lot. I mean, if somebody's paying $200 for a ride and they're like, Jeff, can you do us a favor? Pick up a 12-pack of Corona on the way, man. We'll just tip you out or whatever. These are my private people. Okay, no problem. I'll go spend $17, $20, because they're going to tip me like $50 for it. Do you really think Uber's going to be like, yeah, we're going to give you an extra $30, $40 if you go pick up this 12-pack for these guys? No, they're going to give you another $4, another $8 on the fare. Yeah, thanks you for picking that up. You're like basically an Uber Eats driver just wearing a suit now. See, all of these people out there that don't realize that we are private drivers and we do it already. A lot of the amenities that we give are free. A lot of my clients get margaritas from the airport for free because they pay me well enough for it. Already got ice cold water in the car already because they basically pay me for it. When I got their kids, I got chocolates, I got Cheetos and stuff in the car because they paid me enough for it already. But Uber is trying to capitalize off the generosity of private drivers by saying, we're going to charge people for generosity and get a fee for that generosity. We're going to make them pay for it because they're already paying for it when they pay for private drivers. They're paying them a lot of money and they're getting treated right. So we're going to charge them to be treated right now. We're going to charge them an extra fee. And then we're going to give the driver a couple of extra bucks for sitting in line for another 30 minutes waiting on a Starbucks, waiting on a Happy Meal or a Big Mac, waiting in a Cane's drive-thru for a box of chicken. You really think Uber Black and Uber Black SUV drivers are going to do that? I don't know. Now, the thing is, I had a couple of private clients last night. I'm going to kind of show you a video of that right now. I took my dog with me because they be like, hey, can you do me a favor? Can you bring the dog too? Because they see the dog a lot in the videos and they see him like, because some of them do watch my YouTube channel. They see him on my camera and stuff. So they go, you know what? Bring the dog. So I take the dog sometimes. This is how it goes. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I got Mr. Seeker Pet out here because one of my clients asked for him. And we're at the concert. This is where all the people are coming out of over here. So in a minute, it's about to be thousands of people walking out. You can already see, like, here's the big charter buses over here. I'm parked right there. And we're just out here walking, hanging out. See, everybody's kind of hanging out right now. Oh, that was a nice car. So yeah, in a second, they're going to come walking up here. There are like tons of people, like all over here. And me and my buddies, we're over here. Right, buddy. And this is, like I said, these are all the groups coming out. So my girls will be walking out pretty soon. Look at that. That's a nice bus right there. Man, that thing is nice. That is super clean right there. See, you got Crazy Dog with us. But yeah, as you can look up there, you can see all of those people up there. Tons of people up there. Just droves of people. And you got all the black SUVs over here lined up. Got this guy lined up over here. Black SUVs. You got people hanging out in the parking lots. Come on, let's cut across. Let's go. It's about to get crazy over here. Let's go, buddy. So, yeah, then all the cars are pulling in down here. You got the other big charter buses pulling up right here. Yeah, this is about to get nuts. And like I said, you got people behind me getting picked up, and there's people up here getting picked up. These are all the rideshare cars pulling in over here. And we're private rides. We're all parked over here. So, yeah. This is a big crazy concert. So like I said, this is my clients will be coming around here in a second. I don't know where at. I sent her my location, and she was like, make sure you bring Sika. I was like, all right, I'll bring him. He's crazy. And then right after I drop this client off, I got to go pick up my other client from the studio. So it's like, Sika's going to be riding with me all night tonight. Man, it is a nice cool breeze coming in. But yeah, so we got other black SUVs over here hanging out. I don't know where May is. No, you're good. Come on, bud. So yeah, May will be walking out here in a second. She's somewhere over in this area. I already sent her my location already. So in a second, she'll be coming out. She gonna try to track my location. She gonna see my phone over here. That's funny. All right, we're gonna have to stop recording in a second. It's getting crazy out here. I don't want my dog to get run over. All right, let's see where May is. Hold up. Of course, we're chilling in the back of the truck. We gonna hang out back here and wait, because we ain't gonna walk around the parking lot all night and get his little butt run over. That's a little killer right there. He's checking everybody out as they walk by. Hold up. So we'll sit and we'll watch and let everybody walk around and stuff like that. My little buddy right here. We're hanging out waiting. See? No. I know it. He's cool. He's pretty cool. Ain't your buddy? They got big black SUVs riding through. Everybody's cruising through and everything. Because of all the party goers. These are all the party people in the place to be. Of course, Sega, he has to sit on my damn lap. He can't just sit over there. Yeah, there you go. Sit right there. You don't got to sit on my lap everywhere we go, buddy. He's good. You good. Up. What? I know it. He's all happy. He's like, thank you. Oh, he wants to get down. That's what he is. He wants to get down. Man, there's too many cars coming through here, man. Got all these damn cars riding through. I said these are all party goers here. All these party goers. And May, she's gonna come from this area, I bet. She's got a little crew with her. I don't know who she's got tonight. She usually got about 3 or 4 people with her. We'll find out if she comes walking through. Yep, I do concert pickups with my dog. And as soon as we finish with that concert pickup, I had to run and pick up another client in Mesa and get him home. So everybody loves to have the dog ride around. My clients are cool like that. And I don't have to dress up sometimes. Now when I'm doing nice dinners, bigger events, then I dress up. My clients call me, I just so happen to have a black SUV. I don't always do black SUV, but I use my black SUV. I could have showed up in the car last night for all they care. They don't care, but I give them those amenities because they pay me so well. I mean, I can do a trip for, let's say, 10 miles. They're gonna give me $50. I'm like, I appreciate it, because 10 miles driving basic Lyft, you might get $9, $10. 10 miles driving black or black SUV, you might get $17. Me, I get 50. Because they take care of me. They know it costs me money to get to them. Then it costs me money to drive them. Then I get back to where I am. They compensate me for all of that. And I could bring my dog along for the ride. Plus, they get ice cold water, Dr. Pepper, or margaritas, whatever they want. Had to wear my battle fatigues and blend with the trees, committing penalties. You ain't assembled with me. We the 300, a villain superhero, Angel Hall like De Niro, cigars like Puro. Celebrate the hating that we get, cause it's like that. Despite that, dislike that. You can put the pipe back, you jaded crack baby from the 80s, cause you tripping. Time keep on slipping, but I'ma keep on lifting all my people out of poverty with missions and assignments. 11-11 tatted, cause I stay in the alignment. I'm bringing all the smoke till you choke, cause I'm on one. I'm not done. I fear no man, do not run. The shit that you got is all the shit that I had. I've been up, now I'm on my landing pad like SpaceX.